Hello everyone! Today we're going to prepare a shea butter mousse. This is a very luxurious and nice product that is going to leave our skin very hydrated and soft. We're going to add some ingredients to make it very special along with essential oils. This product also is very simple, so stick with me and let's start it. We're going to start measuring 300 grams of shea butter into a container. Then with the help of a fork, we're going to try to make it smoother so we can achieve a good texture, more like an even texture. Okay, once we do that, we're ready to incorporate some air. With the help of a whisker, we're going to incorporate some air into the shea butter. You can do that around 5 minutes or so. So as you can see, we put some air into the shea butter and the texture is amazing. After that, now we're ready to add 100 grams of coconut oil. That is going to provide to the mixture, it's going to prevent oxidation and it's going to give also good qualities for your skin. Now you can see that the texture is softer and very fluffy. We add then 30 grams of arrowroot powder to the mix. And then, with the help of a whisker again, we can blend and incorporate some more air. As you can see, the volume has increased, and then we're ready to add some vitamin E. We add 20 drops of vitamin E, and I like to add some essential oil, 20 drops of grapefruit essential oil. It's going to help our shea butter mousse smell delicious. Now we're ready to put the mix into a container. We are going to put some label. You are going to find the link of the recipe in the description box below. And then we're ready to enjoy our shea butter mousse. It's going to leave your skin very soft and very hydrated. Okay, now we're ready to move on to prepare our shea butter balm. For this, we need 20 grams of beeswax, 30 grams of shea butter, and then we're going to add 20 grams of almond oil. You can substitute the almond oil for grapeseed oil if you want, and I like to add 10 grams of another oil. In my case, I use peanut oil, or you can use another type of oil, that's fine. We melt it in a water bath and until it completes its complete completely melted. Once it is melted, we can add 6 drops of vitamin E. In this case, I don't want to add any essential oil because sometimes I don't like to use any fragrance or essential oil. And this balm is absolutely great for your hands, for your feet, even for your face. And you can see that the texture is wonderful. You just leave it cool down and it's going to be ready to be used. I hope you enjoy all the formulas and see you next week. Bye, thank you.